Hi there. Today I want to introduce you to someone who's pretty awesome. Her name is Clara, and she's the kitchen PA I've spent the last year building to solve every admin problem I've ever had when running a professional kitchen. And to be upfront about her from the kickoff, Clara is an AI avatar. She's not a real person, but what she does for your kitchen and business is very, very real. And in my 25 years of experience in kitchens all over the world, I've never met an actual person that has had as much of an impact on my kitchen workflows and profit as Clara. So let's meet her.
Hello there. Great to meet you. I've been looking forward to this for a long time too, Murray.
So tell everyone what you actually do and a little bit about how you work.
Well, on the whole, I handle the boring and repetitive parts of running a kitchen that eat your time and your margins, but I'm also here to offer support, ideas, and advice during your workflow. So I wear a few hats, or uniforms if you like. The PA side of me will handle all of your office work. I'll remove the need for a bookkeeper completely. I'll cost your recipes, turn them into beautiful visual menu cards and quotes for your clients, without tools like Canva, so you can impress them before you have the job on your books, and they can visualize what is going to be placed in front of them during their event. I'll cost all of your recipes so your quotes are accurate and make sure your pricing structure fits the job properly. I'll turn accepted jobs into prep lists inside your calendar and then build the shopping list for the job. If you're using regular suppliers, I'll turn your shopping lists into supplier orders and send them. When the job is done, I'll make up your invoices, check if you need to add anything manually, and send them to the client. I can even chase the late payers.
Okay, that sounds awesome, but does the bookkeeping stretch to something like QuickBooks or Xero?
Sure. As much as you need to run a small or freelance catering business, you can just take a picture of your receipts on your phone, and I'll attach the relevant ones to your client invoices if you're charging a day rate plus food cost. Or they'll just be noted as your own running costs. You can just download a report and send it off to your accountant at the end of the quarter or year or whenever you need.
Okay, great. So you are basically an accounting software for kitchens?
Well, it's a bit more than that. I will manage the complete workflow in your kitchen so you can focus on the food. It all starts with your recipe repertoire. For any chef, this is the core of their offering and has to be polished and reliable. So you can import your recipes in a few different ways, but all are much less painless than typing. I'll match the existing ingredients and add new ones, find the average price in your area, and give you a nudge if you are entering receipts where the ingredients are costing more. You can scale the recipes at the click of a button, create menus that will give you a polished client-facing option, and I will even write you a prep list and run your kitchen diary for you.
Okay, so you are like the head chef, bookkeeper, graphic designer, all in one. And when do you work?
Exactly. I'm always working, even at 11 p.m. when you're planning next week, or 6 a.m. before you're heading in for breakfast service. I'll be there to chew around ideas or give you feedback on a dish you've just cooked. I don't clock off, I don't call in sick, and I don't lose my shit when it gets busy.
The ultimate partner in crime. How much are we paying you?
A lot less than the cost of a bad lunch service. When you hire me, as a show of good faith, I will even generate you a website within the first few minutes while we are getting you started. And I'd say that this function alone covers the cost of the monthly subscription, so I'll be your web designer too.
That's very kind of you. Okay, so this is Clara, and she is here to deal with the clutter, so you can just focus on the food. Thanks for watching. See you soon.